Have you accidentally blocked someone on WhatsApp and now want to reconnect? In this quick 2026 guide, I'll show you exactly how to unblock someone on WhatsApp using your Android phone. The process is simple and only takes a minute, so just follow along with each step. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Once you're on the main screen, tap the More Options icon, represented by the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Settings to access your WhatsApp preferences. Inside the Settings menu, tap Privacy. This section contains all of WhatsApp's privacy and security controls. Scroll down until you find Blocked Contacts, then tap it to view the complete list of people you've blocked. Every contact you've previously blocked will be displayed here. Next, locate the person you want to unblock. Tap on their name or phone number and a small pop-up menu will appear. Select Unblock, Contact Name or Number to remove them from your blocked list instantly. Once you've completed this step, the contact will be unblocked immediately. They'll be able to send you messages and call you on WhatsApp again. Likewise, you'll be able to view their profile photo, status updates, last seen information, depending on their privacy settings, and send them messages whenever you'd like. Keep in mind that unblocking someone does not automatically restore old chats or add them back to your contact list if they were deleted from your phone. That's it. Your contact has now been unblocked on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tech guides, and thanks for watching.